Hi, this is my honest review of SmartBidet SB-1000. I have it over 2 years and very like it. So it's just a fraction of the cost of Bidet toilet. And this SmartBidet seat is really nice. I like that it comes in an elongated round shape. It has this nice soft closing lid. It was very easy to install. My husband did all the installment, but it took him a very short amount of time. You do need an electric plug, so keep that in mind. I had to get an extension cord. It has a it has a heated seat. I absolutely love it. It's really nice to have during the winter time. So this works only when you're sitting on the seat, so you need the skin contact. It's nicely operated by this remote control. It has 3 levels of water temperature: cold, warm, and hot. Then it has a water pressure, adjustable water pressure, and 5 nozzle position. Also, you can select from posterior or feminine wash, and also a nice feature to have is a dryer. Overall, it's worth every dollar spent. I highly recommend this bidet.